Happy Friday, first grade. Only one more Friday. Today we will review standard pictorial and expanded form of numbers up to 120. How will we do this? We will represent numbers in standard form, pictorial form, and expanded form on a place value chart. Why are we doing this? Because it's important to be able to represent numbers in many different ways. Let's review our vocabulary. Standard form. Say standard form. That is when a number is written as digits, like 25. Pictorial form. Say pictorial form. That is when a number is shown in place value blocks with the longs and the units. Expanded form. Say expanded form. That is when the number is written by values of each digit. So standard form is 25. Pictorial form is 2 longs and 5 units. The expanded form tells me how much that 2 or those 2 longs are worth. They are worth 20. 10, 20. Plus, how much is 5 units worth? 5. 20 plus 5 equals 25. Place value chart. Say place value chart. Place value chart is when numbers are written in the correct place value. So the number on the right is always the ones. The number next to the ones is always the tens. Now we're going to do some practice problems together. Ready? All right. So Jordan had 99 pieces of candy. How would you represent this number? Well, we know that the number on the right is ones. The number on the right is a 9. So we're going to put 9 in the ones place. And the tens, that's also a 9. So we have 9 tens and 9 ones. Now we're going to use a base 10 pictorial form. So that means that we are going to use our longs and our units. So if we go to, you're going to draw them, but I'm going to make them because that's easier for me. So here is 1 unit. How many do I need? 9. That's right, not unit. These are longs. How many longs do I need? I need 9 longs. All right, you guys got to help me count. There's 3. It doesn't like me today. Okay, pull these out of here. Get that other. It's still, okay, so 3, yeah. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good deal. I need 9 longs. I wonder if I can move them up a little bit. All right, there's my 9 longs. Now, how many ones do I need? Also 9. Okay, we're going to move him here and make him smaller because he's a small 1. Copy. Help me count. Don't forget, I need help counting. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Thank goodness. All right, I got my 9 ones. Got my 9 longs, my 9 units, and my 9 longs. That's a crazy hot mess. I hope you draw better than I did. Expanded form. That is where we're going to write the number in value form. So if I have 9 longs, how much is that worth? Let's count by tens. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Plus, how many units do I have? How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 units is worth 9. 9 ones. And the number 99 in standard form is 99. Very good. All right, let's try one more. Okay, Max has 104 dog bones. 104? That's a lot of dog bones. How would you represent this number? Well, we remember that the number on the right is the ones. So how many ones do we have? 4, correct. How many tens do we have? The number next to the ones? 0. There are 0 tens. We must put the 0. What about hundreds? Are there hundreds in this number? Yes, there is 100. 104. Now we're going to use our base 10 pictorial form. Who remembers, or can help me remember, what the base 10 block was for the 100? We need 100. Was it the little bitty cubes? Was it the long skinny ones? Was it the big squares? Yes, it was. It absolutely was the big squares. You are correct. Let's see if I can make a big square. There we go. There is my 100. My 100. This says I have 100. How many tens do I need to draw? 0. How many ones units do I need to draw? 4. 4, 4, 4. All right, so there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, 100, 0 tens, 4 ones. Now, expanded form. What is the value of this 100 block? How much is it worth? If I went to the store to buy a 100 block, I would need how much money? It is worth 100. 100. Because there are 100 of these little square units in there. 100 of them. Now, I'm going to add that to my units. My tens. How many tens did I have? 0. So there's nothing to add. How many ones do I have? And there's 4 units, so 4 units is worth 4. 100 plus 4 equals 104. How do I write the number 104 in digits? I just write the number 1. And since there are no tens, I have to keep my 0 and 4 ones. Read this number with me. 104. Let's read it again. 104. Good job. Do you guys mind helping me with one more problem? This one looks kind of hard. It says Sherry has 114 pairs of shoes. How would you represent this number? Okay, so the number on the right is the ones. So how many ones do we have? 4. The number next to the ones is the tens. How many tens do we have? 1. And the number next to the tens is the hundreds. How many hundreds do we have? 1. Now, base 10 pictorial form, I'm going to use my place value blocks. So how many hundreds blocks do I need? 1. Good. I'm so glad, so glad that you are remembering place value. All right, how many tens do I need? Oh, there's only 1, so I just need 1. This number isn't so bad. I thought it was going to be really hard. All right, 100, 110. Now, how many ones units do I need? 4. One, 2, 3, 4. I have 100, 110, and 4 ones. 100, 110, and 4 ones. How much is 100 worth? It is worth 100. How much is 110 worth? This long is how much? 10. And how much is 4 units worth? 4 ones. 4. And the number in standard form, just writing the digits for the number 114. What are the numbers that I'm going to write for the number 114? A 1, a 1, and a 4. Very good. That wasn't so bad. Thank you for your help. For your independent practice today, there are 2 pages with numbers for you to show in different forms. The first one says there are 110 pieces of paper in a package. How would you represent this number? Well, if you don't remember or you aren't sure what the place value shows, the pictorial form, the expanded form, or the standard form, then you can go back to, you can go back to the example you helped me with, and it will show you this is the pictorial form, this is the expanded form, this is the standard form, and the place value chart. And on the next page, it says the book has 105 pages in it. How would you represent this number? Same thing. You're going to use the place value, the pictures, the expanded form, and the standard form to represent the number 105. What did you learn today? Standard form is a number written as digits. Pictorial form, a number shown in place value blocks. Expanded form is the number written by values of each digit. And the place value chart is where numbers are written in the correct place value. Now, just to further increase your learning, is a video right there. Can you see it right over there somewhere? Yeah, oh, there it is right there. The place value house. It's going to talk about more about what number goes in what place. And even though there's going to be more hundreds than we are working with, you will still understand what they're talking about. And then you get to go have a very wonderful weekend. I will see you on Monday, May 4. On Monday with 2 10s and 4 1s.